Sunday at 8.
Currently in our area, 58 degrees under sunny skies. Today, sunny, high 92, winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear, low 58, winds north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday, a mainly sunny sky, high 90, winds north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, some people in the plains in the Midwest could see storms capable of producing a tornado like this one. This twister touched down in southeast Montana Thursday night.
The same supercell also dropped hail and caused some wind damage across North Dakota and into Minnesota. It produced at least 5 tornadoes in all. Amazing. Well, tomorrow night on the Weather Channel, a tornado pummels their building as workers inside a textile plant struggle to find shelter.
Yeah, you'll see that on a brand new episode of Heroes and Survivors Sunday at 8 p.m. on the Eastern, right here on the Weather Channel. Catch Heroes right here. Here's a sneak preview.
I just remember it being like any other day. Thunderstorms were coming through, didn't think much of it.
But by 3 o'clock, the weather has escalated into something much more serious than a rainstorm. There's now a tornado warning in effect. At the textile plant, staff get the warning on their cell phones.
I think a lot of people just didn't maybe take that warning as they should. I looked at my phone and went,
But within 30 seconds of receiving the alert, the workers realized that this storm is the real deal.
I saw a flash of light and I was like, man, there's some lightning there. So then I saw 2 more bursts of bright light and I realized that that was not lightning. It was actually transformers blowing up across the street. There's nothing you can really do. There's nowhere you can really go.
Workers try to find cover wherever they can.
I could feel tons of debris hitting our backs, hitting our sides. It was coming from up and under.
The sheer force and the power of all of it, I mean, it was just demolishing everything in its path.
Catch Heroes and Survivors right here on the Weather Channel, Sunday, 8/7 Central.
All right, from severe thunderstorms, and this time of year, of course, always an eye on the tropics.
Yeah, we're 1 month in of a 6-month-long season. Let's get the very latest with Dr. Erica Navarro, our newest member of Weekend Recharge.
We're so happy to have you with us.
Thanks, guys. I'm excited. We need a little more coffee than usual, I think, to get up a little earlier. Bit of a shift, but nonetheless, still going to be watching the tropics at all times here in the summertime because we know this is the time of year where we expect to start seeing some development in this part of the world. Right now, we don't have a lot of activity in the Atlantic, but looking over towards the Eastern Pacific, 3 different areas that we're watching. 2 invests, or an invest, an area to watch, and of course, Tropical Storm Amelia that is moving off the coast. The good news here is that these systems, if they form, they're all going to be moving out to sea. So we're not expecting to see big impacts from these storms. Amelia is going to be weakening as we head throughout the week, and then we can see here one of those invest areas may intensify to a hurricane. We could be seeing some pretty strong development out of that one, but it's well out to the sea and will continue moving westward. So again, not expecting to see impacts from these storms here in the Eastern Pacific. So now this is the last day of June, right? We're heading into July. We have not seen that tropical development in the Atlantic for the month of June. So no name storms. It's been the first time since 2014 that we've gone nameless in the month of June. It's not typically the time of year we see them. On average, we get one every 2 years or so, but that's still good news. We'd like to see that quiet activity here, especially at this time of the year. Now, switching off towards the Atlantic, you can see here, this is the main development region. That's the area that we often look at as we head later into the season, July and August. No activity whatsoever going on in this region right now, and that is largely due to this very deep layer of dust that has come off the African continent. This is actually a look real time at the satellite imagery. You can see that light kind of slide across the screen there. This darker kind of hazy color, not the white in the clouds there, but that darker hazy color that expands over